So today we are on the FESPA again, having a special guest you probably know from last year from the podcast. It's Michael Ryan. Michael, welcome. Thanks for organizing this great show with lots of people. So you said you even increased the people visiting the trade show this year, right?
It's great. Last year when we were in Berlin, there was still some travel restrictions. Flights were being cancelled. People couldn't travel from Asia. But this year back in Munich, current figures, we're on the second, so we're halfway through FESPA, and we're already over 30% from the attendees.
That's great.
So people can come in all across from around the world, from Europe, from Asia, from North America, from Africa. I met two guys yesterday from the Ivory Coast. Really? Coming all the way to this global event.
Wow. And next year, can we already say where it is?
It's here in Amsterdam.
So yeah, all you guys there.
In March in Amsterdam. So Amsterdam is a city, Munich is a city. So it's great for FESPA to return to Munich, because really this is, for me, this is the first real FESPA post-COVID. We're back to where we should be, and people are seeing the event, they're seeing the colors, and then of course Amsterdam is a great location for us next year.
What do you see like change? What are the current obstacles or the goals of the people visiting the show?
I can see right now, for example, today, FESPA, we are also an association. So today we have a press conference where we're announcing the global census. Okay. So that will be very important data and information that we will share. We have almost 2,000 research with the printing market all across the world. So that census, that information will be shared with today in the press conference. So I will be sending you some information. The challenges for the industry are for every business. It's not just printers. It's about sustainability. It's cost increases. It's energy increases. It's staff. It's like, you know, it's getting people to join this incredible industry. And when people come to events like FESPA, which is the global event for the sign and graphics market, they're seeing a really creative industry. They're seeing new applications. This year, our campaign is New Perspectives. So it's for people to come with an open mind to the venue, to see new applications. If you're printing on labels, on textiles and industrial applications, you can see that all here at FESPA.
Well, what you probably also had several looks in the different halls. What was like inspiring you? Because like when you said we got wage increases and we have to keep track of the cost, there's lots of robotics that fascinated me. Or like the new application with gold and three-dimensional and everything.
And you have a lot of the machinery, so most of the machinery on show at FESPA are brand new machines. They're all energy efficient. So the savings that you can make, that's not just on energy, that's not just on electrical, it's also on ink savings as well. There are many factors that can help you print efficiently, and one of the messages from FESPA is to focus on efficient printing. You can get this job done, you can get this printed. What is the most cost-effective way to get this done and for it to have the main impact? On the Durst stand, I think you saw the robotic on the Durst
Aqua, like a lot of stands.
So they're showing what will be happening in the industry. It's not a question that, oh, this is cool. This is the future of print.
Definitely.
In terms of the automation process, the whole process control. So you see exhibitors focusing on their workflows. Many of the large manufacturers are really talking about
also regarding
workflows
software, right?
Software side of the business, where people can get new business from. New this year at FESPA is the personalization experience, which is a conference just opening up the industry to new applications, how you can build your own storefronts and how you can provide print on demand.
And like from today's point of view and all that we know today, do you have a vision for FESPA, or do you have like a view in future?
Wow, a vision on FESPA. Do you know?
Like for 2030, let's say. How do you imagine it?
Do you know right now? This show is we're 2023.
Yeah.
In 1963. In Paris was the first FESPA exhibition. Okay. So we're really celebrating 60 years of the industry.
Today? This show?
This show.
Congrats, man.
2023. I wasn't there yet.
And so the party today in the evening?
Yeah, we have a FESPA party as well in the evening to celebrate the industry, the awards. But it's 60 years since FESPA had their first exhibition. I think everyone was smarter in the 60s. But it's great to see the innovations even then.
Yeah.
And it was all about where is the industry going to go. It's certainly, we are going to be more sustainable in the future. That's a question, that's without fact. At FESPA, we've launched on our website right now on FESPA.com, we've got the sustainability platform. So all of our interviews, all of our podcasts, all of the information that we are creating as a global community, that is now available for our members as well directly. So sustainability, automation, but also the creativity of the application. So we all love print. Everybody loves print who's in these areas, and
everybody's enthusiastic in this industry, I think.
And you're seeing textile printing here. You're seeing new opportunities for your businesses.
And if you had one wish, like except sustainability, what would it be? Like, because we had these big shifts from screen to digital. What's next?
I think print is probably, can it get any faster? I don't know if it can get faster. I think it's as fast as it can get, but it's definitely the automation. It's about joining all those dots together. So you're seeing the finishing companies now, everybody is coming together. So I would probably say in FESPA in the future, we're already doing it on the floor plan, because we have for example, in Hall B2, you have Canon working with Fotoba, working with Delta, linking up all these areas. So I think you're going to be real seeing complete productions in future at FESPA shows, where you're going to be going from the design phase,
from start to finish, basically,
right the way to the finished product.
Great,
which is good.
So Michael, thanks a lot. It was a beautiful,
always a great pleasure. And I feel like I know you guys a lot more now because, of course, we're connected on LinkedIn, on social media, etc. And thank you for all the
Thank you, man.
Thank you for all
keep up the good work with your team.
Vielen Dank.
Everybody enjoys the FESPA.
And me, all of us. Amsterdam in March next year. Let's see you there.
Thanks, man.
Very good. Great to see you.